Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing really well and having a really good day. In today's video I want to finally talk about an outdoor roof installation of one of my miners. So let's get started. So yeah, I want to build a custom stand with one of my antennas. For this I got one of this kind of pallet. And there's one of my old hotspots, and sure, this is probably not professional, but it is the easiest way for me. So basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to screw this piece of wood as a stand on top of it or on the side of it, and then I will try to mount this outdoor enclosure on it and on top the antenna. This will go on a flat roof so that I can easily put it there, because this one is it is really heavy, because it's not like the cheap wood, it's like with actual wood, and so this is kind of heavy. So I will need to build like one stand over here, maybe one thing over here as well, that it cannot fall like backwards in any cases. I hope it will not, but you never know. So I need to build this, then I can put it on a flat roof, and I will show you this in a second. But I think first of all we will try to mount everything together, and I will show it to you in a second.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird...
Yeah, so as you can see, I kind of did it. So they have this wooden pole. I will probably need to fix it down there below, but I will do this in a second. And now I can use like my hotspot that's inside here. Give me 1 second. I have my Penta inside here, and I will need to screw this there on top, and I will do this in a second. So as you can see, I screwed this on top here. There's the cable coming in, there will be the antenna cable going out, and I only need like this power there, because my internet is running over the power line. I know this is not the best one, but for me it suits its case, so it's fine. I don't need anything else. I basically just screwed it in here. So there are some small holes here on the back side, and I used them to screw them in. And as you can see, it's holding pretty stiff. I will probably use something else there. Maybe I will add another one over here, because I don't want this thing to fall off. But yeah, so far that's the stand. I'm sorry for the camera management, but this is like, I talked to a friend of mine and he said, hey, yo, I have a flat roof, you can try to do this, and I will put this thing on top of the roof, and I will show you this like in a couple of minutes. But for now, let me install my miner and let me install the antenna, and then we will go ahead. Yep, and there we have it. I cabled it up, used some zip ties, and yeah, my Penta is sitting in there. I'm using a Mango to remote control this thing. By the way, if you haven't watched one of my videos about remote controlling all your miners, check it out. It should be in the video description down below. But for now, let's see. I will plug this in. 1 second. It seems like it's firing up. Perfect. Okay, yeah, it's working. Good. Okay. Now I can close the lid, and we're ready to go. This thing will go on top of a roof. I will show you this in the next step. Okay, I kind of forgot to make a video about it, but I installed the antenna. I simply connected it through the hole and ducted it with some electrical tape. I will put down to every parts I use in this video in the video description down below, so you can check them out if you want to build this your own. So there it is, beautiful one on top of a flat roof, as I told you. So let's see how this will perform. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, I would absolutely appreciate it for giving me a like, and keep subscribed to the channel because I will update you on all this stuff frequently on this channel. Peace out.